Hey kids, how are you? All set for a new lesson? Very nice. So today we are going to learn about pronoun are. So pronoun are is a possessive adjective which is used in place of first person plural. Possessive adjective, I think I heard this term somewhere but I don't remember. No issues, let's revise it. Our possessive adjective tells us that something is owned by the first person plural. For example, this is our school. So, in this sentence, pronoun are denotes that the school belongs to first person plural and it is followed by a noun which is school. So, let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun are clear. So, Rudy, our first example of pronoun are is, this is our room. So, in this sentence, are is a possessive adjective which shows the possession of first person plural.
I understood.
Good. So, Rudy, read the second example.
Our office is dirty.
Correct. So, again in this sentence, pronoun are is a possessive adjective which denotes that the office belongs to first person
Plural.
That's right. So, Rudy, read the last example.
This is our laptop.
Correct. So, can you identify the possessive adjective in this sentence?
Our.
Why?
Because the laptop belongs to the first person.
Right. Singular or plural?
Plural.
That's correct. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun are. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.